Hello mga eta! So karon padong ko sa Salt City kay na ako'y schedule for a Japanese head spa. Bago na siya nga service nga gina-offer sa B-Beauty Waxing, so I wanna give it a try. Aside sa head spa, they also offer different services such as facial. Mu-wax pud sila, so from underarms to your legs. Kanay palangkat at ng balhimo ni mo diha. So from the parking area, mag-walk lang kagamay. Oh, kantahan na tong tararan daran dararan daran daran tararan daran dararan daran daran. Pwede naman dayon ari parking sa dool no, pero ganahan jud ta maglayo-layo, pero sige na lang kaysa masigitag toy-toyo pangitag parkinganan kay basin full parking. Ang arte. So we arrived here at B-Beauty Waxing Salon and Aesthetics. Actually, new branch gini nila kay sudlunon jud to ang ilahang previous nga branch. My schedule is at 4 p.m. so let's go. Pak, okay, balik ta kay dengan og taon, uwa-uwa pa si eta. Diba, scripted kayo. Since it's their grand opening, so they offered foods to their clients. It was such a really nice gesture though. Aside sa food, also their services are discounted.
Hi ma'am, welcome to B-Beauty Salon.
B-Beauty Salon, B-Beauty Waxing, may nakabuta sa...
Hi ma'am, welcome to B-Beauty Waxing Salon Aesthetic Waxing main branch.
While waiting for my turn, kaon sa tagletsyon, no, diba? Pack na pack. And of course, did you na to kalimtan na nga to ang videographer. Ato dyan siyang pakaunon. Sa second floor is Kina Japan i-perform ang ato ang Japanese head spa. I'm very excited because this is my first time and I hope very nindot na dyan ang result. Pagsulod na ako, nag-provide po day sila o divider to put all your things, your jewelries, kaya dapat ipatanggal dyan ang imong mga jewelries. Isagway na lang dyan ako, syempre, love your own products, mahalin ng sariling atin. So, kung ganahan mo magpa-customize og jewelries, guys, you can just visit Sherry Vida Jewelries for more info. Very cutesy kayo ilang sudlanan, oh. Ang akong gi-avail kay ang combo A. As you can see, naa siya inclusions nga head spa, neck and shoulder massage for 1 hour. Naana sila ibutang cream sa imuhang head para mo exfoliate siya and mga tangtang ang mga dead skin and all. The whole duration, wala dyan ko nakatulog kasi gano'n dyan kong tabi ni ata. Kay, tagatisam din siya. Hi! Kay medyo di mo dyan tamauwa mo hangyo. No, ako na lang dyan gihangyo si ata nga pavidyohan kay for the vlog lagi, you know. Everything should be documented. Charot! Gi-career naman, oy. Bitaw guys, I highly recommend this Japanese head spa kaya aside sa very relaxing. Malasan pa ang pagka-oily sa imuhang scalp, o diba? So pag less oily, less dandruff. Muna siya ang pinaka-last part sa spa. ASMR sabi, ASMR. After which, gi-blow dry dayon akong hair and muna to. I was really satisfied and looking forward for the next session. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!